Yes.
So I'll suggest few techniques where we can manage stress. Okay, firstly, you can put yourself into mindfulness. Mindfulness is basically a psychological term which actually means you can, turn yourself into yoga or meditation. Where you're investing yourself, where, if, for example, being a girl myself, I like to shop a lot. So for me, a stress buster is shopping. For my brother, it could be dancing. For you, it could be singing. So, you just have to find that stress buster. There are many people who are actually running behind art classes. They are doing art therapies, expressive arts in psychological term. So it is basically what you just have to find your buster. Yeah. Another technique that where we can manage stress is sharing our feelings. We should not be scared to get judged by the other person. See, I know we belong to such a community where a smoking cigarette for a girl is very harmful. Getting less marks than the relative's child, again, it is very something that is very dangerous. The child has to listen throughout his life. Then again, a breakup, because we need to understand that in teenage life such things happen. And if we beat the child, hit the child for getting indulged into such things, it is wrong. We have to understand. Yeah.
Yes.
So again, a parent counseling and a parent resource program is utmost important. Child comes later, parents are the first one to be counseled about. One case study I would suggest for a child is that just being 18 years old. Just being around 18 years old, a child is basically having a lot of pressure by his friends, to get involved into such substance abuse and everything. And nowadays we can also find, every third child is into that.
Yes.
But hitting or beating him won't be an option for me, locking him in the room. It will just make him more insane. We should not do that. We should understand. And there are many muscle relaxation techniques where, we can calm his brain. Because children nowadays are very hyperactive. There's तो issue है ही है, but behavioral management एक second issue है, जिसके साथ हमें I think बहुत जरूरी है deal करना. बच्चों की, women who are conceiving after 30 in today's generation. See, every other woman has a lifestyle of, sleeping late. And we do not have इतना सारा चीजें जो मतलब हमें, we have to work, we have to manage household, we have to work also.
Yes.
And giving birth to a premature baby and having certain illnesses, it is very common nowadays. But a women should know how to cope up with them. So again, the guidance for parents is very important. Child comes later, we have to teach the parents first.